Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back to another video on this beautiful Bardefu multi-purpose blender, the BF-5082. So this is the 5082 model. There are different models of this Bardefu blender. I think I've seen about three of them, and for me this 5082 is what I need. All right, so I'm going to be unboxing this with you today and also be showing you some of the properties that it came with. All right, so this is a 6-in-1 blender. This is our first jar. You see how big this jar is. This is a 3 liters jar. It is very big. The camera is not doing justice to it. So this is 3000 ml, all right, and it has 8 blades. I tell you, I don't joke, this blender is strong. This is a copper blender, so it is very strong, and it has 8 blades. It is super sharp. All right, so go to the next item. This is an unboxing video, so I'm going to be showing you all the items it came with, and this is used to press down whatever you are grinding, or maybe when you're blending something and it's not getting to the top, you can use this to press what you're blending down. And this is our juicer, our orange squeezer, so you can actually make orange juice with this. And this round thing is an egg beater, so if you're about to bake and you need something to whisk your eggs thoroughly, you can use this to achieve it. For me, it is a plus because I am a baker and I mix eggs a lot. All right, so the next item is our dry blender. Like I said, this is a 6-in-1. That's dry blender. You can use it to grind your oats. You can use it to grind your bono egusi. I have tested it and it came out so smooth. It is an 800 ml capacity also, so it can carry good quantity of your dry ingredients. This is just the cover to a big blender. All right, so go to the next item, and it is our mini food processor. I have a bigger food processor, and what I noticed about this processor is that you are not supposed to use it to blend overly big items. All right, so you can use it to blend your, chop your veggies, small veggies. You can use it to chop your okra. You can use it to chop onion, pepper, tomatoes. But please don't use it and do poundo. You can use it to maybe like 2 or 3 pieces of yam, maybe 1 person quantity of poundo. But please don't use it and do yam of maybe like family size eating. Okay, and this is for your veggies. That's stuff there. This stuff here is for your vegetables. So if you want to chop your cucumbers, you want to grate your carrots, you can easily use this. You don't need to start grating manually. So with this mouth here, you just put it in, just connect it to, I will do a proper video where I'll be, showing you how to use. So you just put it into this hole and it will click. Just turn it to the other side. This is the blade. So I'm going to be showing you this blade and the bigger blade that you can use for your poundo that comes with a big food processor. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Clementina. I am a content creator, I am a baker, I am a cook, and you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment. If you have any questions about the Bardefu blender, please go ahead, drop it here. All right, and this is the cover of our bigger blender. That bottom part is what your blender is going to sit on when you connect it. So for the food processor, it doesn't need to sit on that black thing there, but for this smaller one, they need to, for this one and the dry blender, it needs to sit on this black stuff that is here. I'm going to show you how to connect it also. All right, so here is our, let me call it motherboard. But this is the odogu of all the items on this. Without this, your blenders are useless. So that's why I went for something that has, speed, and it will give me make my blending very easy. So see what I was talking about. This black stuff, if you're using your food processor, you don't need to connect it. But if you're using your small blender or the dry blender or the wet one, you need to put this black stuff, and this is our switch. It has the pulse, up and down. This is the on and off switch. Then the timer is, the speed is on this other side. Then for this side, you have this. I'm turning it to the juice part. So you can actually give instruction to do juice, grains, whatever you want to chop or blend, and it's going to do the job. This I have suffered from blender. Oh. And when I wanted to buy a blender, I was so intentional about it because I need something strong. So this is the comparison. This is what came with our Bardefu chopper, our food processor. You see how small it is. All right, so it is ideally made for small chopping, like you want to chop your beef, not in big quantity. You see what came with my own external food processor. You see how big and strong this is. This one, I can use it to pound my yam, I can use it to chop anything I want to chop. But you see this Badefu food processor blade, it is not designed for heavy chopping. All right, so please look at, if you want to do poundos and all that, get a bigger food processor. And this one from Badefu is just basically for chopping smaller items. You want to chop your beef, you want to chop small quantity of veggies, so that you don't overwork it. You see how fragile it is, so you don't overwork it. So go for the bigger one if you want to use it for bigger chopping. All right, so we are moving on to the items. These are everything that came with our Bardefu 5082 blender. This blender is odogo. It is affordable because I got mine for 70,000. Yes, it is affordable. So you can get it if you want to. This is not a paid advert. I'm just telling you what works for me, so that if you are looking out for a good food processor, or you're looking out for a good blender rather, you can go for this. It comes with 3 items and other accessories that will be useful to you. So that I just use it to chop my pepper, onion and tomato. And this is my oats. I use the dry mill to grind my oats, and I didn't even blend it for long. This is just about maybe a minute, and this is the raw oats before I blended it, and this is the outcome of it. You can see how it blended this oats to powder. So I wanted to test out all the items because I just got it here, so that I'll know if everything is working. If anything is not working or giving what it should, I would return it. So please don't forget to like this video, share it so that more persons can get to see it, and like the video, share, subscribe, support my channel. All right. So here I just went ahead to chop some cucumbers, and you can see how, I don't want to exaggerate, but this blender is giving. It's giving. See how smooth. Like it chopped it to just water. It chops shaggy out of the cucumber, and this is just the content of what I chopped. All right. So thank you so much for watching till this point. I really do appreciate it. So get yourself a Bardefu blender. Preferably go for 5082 model, and you are going to enjoy it. If you want to know where I got it, please drop a comment and I would gladly share it if you're in Nigeria. All right. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video.